So, what's the process here?
You just f***ing give her with a whole bunch of different shit. And you got a wicked ass marinade, hopefully.
How do you make it?
I don't know. A mess.
It's top secret.
Man stock.
We're doing man things, honey. Go back and make us sandwiches.
Guys,
Get that coffee on again.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get punched.
It's not a very hard punch, good.
Yeah.
Even if she tries.
Yeah, that ain't too bad, really. I don't know. You don't know if we need to go all them onions, or sorry, lemons.
So we're doing what? Lemons, limes, onion?
Lemon, lime, onion. We got teriyaki. We got Worcester sauce. Some apple cider vinegar. Some garlic.
Oh, and
sick.
you're missing one.
I think we'll add a couple beer.
Well, you get the beer up there too, so that you can
Yeah.
see the beer.
And we got some certified organic, wild grown, fresh venison.
Yeah, we do.
Right?
Okay.
Farm fed, farm raised.
Yeah.
Beer for the thing. Beer for me. Normally I would have a sip of that, but wait. So the teriyaki.
So we got what in there? Beer
So far we got a beer. We got some apple cider vinegar.
and
Teriyaki's heading in. We got lime, lemon. Mitchell, you want to try that sample, the teriyaki? Give that a shot quickly. Have a quick drink.
Yeah, real sip.
yeah, that's teriyaki.
You do the
So
waffing test. You don't do the taste test.
so this is the slopping part, right?
The full-on slopping part. We're doing some chopping over there, slopping over there.
Actually, I don't think the slop would start.
I think you can go whole teriyaki, eh?
Hey man, you're the expert. This is some high tech, always the same recipe.
Always the exact same. So
Yeah.
you don't, okay, that's maybe too much.
Yeah, now too much. You just put it.
Oh, that three drops
Yeah.
was it.
That might have, if the thing.
This is the organic venison, whitetail.
Yeah. Farm to table, table to fork, fork to belly,
belly too.
belly to colon, colon to. Anyway,
The white building over
the
there.
white building over there. All right, gotcha. We're doing good. It's all right, cousin Lori. I'll leave you off the camera until you get fully beautified.
Yep.
I only make it semi.
Maybe leave one lemon or something.
Yeah, go another lemon then, dude.
What do we got there? Worcestershire?
That's Worcester sauce.
Okay.
Ricky picked that up for me, along with the jalapeno chips.
Jalapenos, right on. We're gonna make some jalapeno poppers later too.
You're damn
Oh,
right.
there we go.
It's jalapeno goop. Can you chop onion? Onion, just go like a couple big chunks of it. Here, want me to cut that, dude?
Oh, God, I just want
You trying out your new knife, are you?
Oh, where'd you get that knife?
Oh, Chassis.
Cheshire's Outdoor Sports or whatever. I don't know what is it.
Ontario mainland. What is it, mate?
Maitland Drive.
Maitland Drive.
Oh, there you go. Hey,
Doing
Glenn hooked you up.
down there.
Pretty good, guys.
Great guys, great service.
Can't
Yeah,
remember their name, but
Just
great
bad with
guys,
names.
great service.
yeah. Glenn hooked you up. He's the man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Little shout out to Glenn and Billy.
Yeah, we'll go another beer, I think.
Don't touch anything when you go there. Knock the book down.
Looks like you're contributing the beer. So,
Oh yes, I see. Yeah.
Oh, was that another beer?
Another beer,
Yeah,
yeah.
another one of my beer. Garrett goes right over there and grabs.
You've noticed that I've only grabbed 2 tall boys, and you're drinking tall boys.
Okay, what's going on?
So, for our main ingredient, which you're not gonna ever know what the is in here, because we don't even know what the is in here.
What?
But this is the secret ingredient right here.
Love.
Love.
Purple stew.
There,
Oh, nice.
All you
That is that what brought the heat to
the dressing.
the dressing yesterday or the other day with the pig? I can't remember. All the days are going together.
Sour face on
Told
those.
you so.
What's
we're
going-
making some smashed potatoes here to go with the venison steak.
That seems like a silly question.
Cheese Louise.
So what'd you do? You boiled them and then you smashed them and then you put cheese on them
A little bit of oil on
and
it.
oil on them. So then we're gonna put them in the oven and make them brown.
Correct.
All right. You happy?
You really should have had that this morning when I was doing my thing. Do you want all of us on there?
That's up to you.
No, I don't care. Use it.
I don't know. Do we need?
I think that's lots of cheese.
No, that's a waste.
Why don't you get down there and do it?
What? What Molly said.
No, Lucas, you should get down there and see what he's doing. He said it looks good and learn how to cook it. So why don't you get down there and do it?
I'll just
Why
spread
would
it
you
a
when
bit.
he's going to move, right?
Spread out.
That looks perfect, but it'll have to do.
We don't need that.
Well, that's the best part.
Putting it over on that hot side.
No, I wouldn't. That's the result of the slop and chop, eh?
Stop and chop.
Money.
What's going on?
Oh, enjoying some of this.
Just giving her, eh?
Venison.
Is that the fine results of
pretty
the
giving her.
chop and slop?
The chop and slop turned out phenomenal.
Yeah.
I'd say the marinade dinner.
Oh yeah, what's my name?
You're Fred.
Hands up, hot dog man!
Hands are up.
Oh no! Get back up!
Everybody enjoying themselves?
Yep.
What do you got there? That looks like a bad piece.
Hands up, hot dog
I'm going
man!
to tell you that all around the buck's ass is venison.
Mm.
Isn't that good?
Oh,
Buck's ass?
terrible.
Nope. If you don't want to use it, then I'm going to help you. Jack, stop throwing your fork on the ground.
Wow, those potatoes look terrible too.